Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. Today we have a B2 Rage 65X versus Hayanka, or next video it's going to be Pioneer. Maybe I'm going to use the Pioneer like a floor line. This is one of the best selling Pioneer speakers, very cheap, but everybody buys this speaker for some reason. It is way nicer sounding speaker than your factory speakers, but compared with these big boys, it's going to be like day and night. So Hayanka, it was destroying a lot of speakers on the previous video. If you didn't watch my other videos, definitely watch it. On this video we're going to compare with this stock like a head unit kind of amplifier. We're going to use small amplifier, and after then we're going to give tons of power, tons of basses, a lot bigger amplifier, and I'm going to give you the conclusion like should you buy it or should you stay away. If you remember, this Hayanka, it was destroying a lot of good speakers price range, but now the Hayanka launched a high-end speaker, but its price is very affordable and it comes with the bracket and a large tweeters, and I'm guessing by the design that this one was destroying a lot of speakers, but this one destroy a lot of speakers for sure, right? The built and fit and finish qualities really step up, so you can buy all these speakers on Amazon. B2 Audio, sponsored by Big Jeff Audio, just bigjeffaudio.com. If you know, his website is very good for fast shipping and the stands behind the product. So let's connect these speakers to the amplifier and start running tests. Alright, unboxing part, B2 Audio Rage 65X series. Alright, comes with the grill and the speaker itself. As you can see, grill, close-up shot, just a basic regular grill. Also you have a bunch of screws to screw tie down, and that's it. So speaker itself, as you can see, built, fit and finish, great, large, massive, high playing tweeter they installed, and as you can see on the back you have two filters. For the bass filter they separate and the tweeter is the separate 100 watt. It's 60 hertz to 30,000 hertz, so it's going to be very loud in high range playing, right? It's wide range playing as 65 watts and SPL-BD. They didn't say what the sensitivity on this speaker, so let's do the other speaker. All right, this is the Pioneer, one of the best selling speaker in the market compared to other speakers. Very nice and simple to use. Look at the magnet size, 200 watts maximum power, right? This is 25 watt RMS power speaker, and we're going to compare the other guys with this. So this is the Pioneer. So this one is advertised 31 hertz to 16,000 hertz. So the tweeters plays very low, but it's you can't hear anything above like 18,000 hertz. But still, these guys are advertising that, and it's a lot low playing speaker than these guys, right? Look at this magnet size, everything's different, and these is around 60 hertz, and this one is also like around 50 hertz. This is Hayanka, right, and this is Pioneer. Alright guys, I connected both speakers, Pioneer versus B2 Audio, right? We're gonna run from this head unit, but surprisingly really good head unit. I just bought like run the music, but it ended up surprising me, so I'm gonna put the links in the description. You're gonna see how this head unit all works, right? So let's play it from the Pioneer. As I say before, the Pioneer, it's a nice sounding speaker. It's better sounding speaker for you from your maybe it's from your stock speakers.
I've been searching.
You're gonna start from a lower.
Analyzing. Try to figure out those lines up on your face.
Right. B2 Audio.
Together with you is where I wanna be.
a Dyne. As you can see, it's like surprisingly good head unit, right? You have a bunch of items. I think so you can buy for with the 20 gigabytes built in, the memory, all that stuff. Like, it works very nice and surprisingly good, right? I'll put the links on the description. It's not a sponsor or anything like that, but you want some, you know, affordable and a good head unit. You have a bunch of options on the back. Like you can connect, it comes with the microphone, backup cameras. You can put the SD cards here, SIM card, and you can run, how's it called, navigation, everything, right? So the sound quality is also good. So the back in the story, as you can see, this guy of course handles a lot more bass. It's bass a lot deeper, and the tweeter is much more details. Of course, you're not gonna use any headphones, but if you're using the headphones, you're gonna see a difference, right? You're gonna hear the difference. Even make it louder your phone tiny speakers. It's gonna be the difference. I'm gonna do the amplifiers both. I'm gonna install the amplifiers and a bunch of the, you know, the different scenario. We're gonna run it. I'm sure this one's maximum out already. There is no room to improvement, but I'm sure the B2 audio, it's gonna be opens up when I give the amplifier, because the power handling is a lot higher than these, right? So RMS power is around 85 watts, so this one's at 25 watts, perfectly made for this kind of scenario. And this one is maximum out already, but this one's getting distortion because not enough power for B2 audio. Our next video is going to be, guys, with the amplifier, and we're going to run, you know, total different scenarios, expensive Hyanka versus these and vice versa, and I'm going to give you the conclusion. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, guys, definitely subscribe it, and I'm going to do a lot of good videos. The subscription is free, right? This one's actually, you can watch the YouTube if you have internet. Also the navigation. This is a good device and good speakers. I'm out also in the next video, guys. This is tiny amplifier. Next video I'm gonna run it.